Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So this video is not regarding any particular stock because I was planning to make this video for the members because each night, like before I go to bed, I make a watch list for the next day, also pre-market and during market hour I update. So I was planning to review all the trades today. Then I thought, why not just share with the entire YouTube community so that if anyone is holding or planning or anything, they can also get benefit to it. So anyway, that is why I'm making this particular video, and I'm going to talk about a lot of ticker: LVGN, ISPC, PROG, CEI, PTPI, QLGN. Anyway, you will see. And by the way, to get this kind of alert, like you have to be a Patreon so that you can get access to my Discord, so that you will get access to my Discord and we can make money together. So anyway, not the big deal. So I just wanna talk. So I'll just start with the list because you see many tickers we have. Some are big green, some are red, so it doesn't matter because when the if you enter any play or it goes down, then the whole idea is to use a stop loss so that you minimize your loss. But if there is a runner, that can really do good. So APVO was something, yes, I did not enter very early in the morning. It was up by 163%, and I was quite late to the party, but I think I entered sometime around like this area, 11.6, when I first alerted. Even after that, from 13 it went all the way to 21.8 or something, almost like 80-90% up since the alert. So anyway, so the looking at the chart, if someone is still holding, so you can clearly see it has a top around $22. So it got rejected around $22. I also see some area right around here which is around 17.1, but the good thing or the bad thing, you can say that currently it is at 13.9. there is a support around 13.3, and that 13.3 is coming from here. So it came down and bounced up to 13.3, went up, and again sitting at 13.3 support. So look what is happening after hour. It came down, bounced up to 13.3, and previously you see that was the resistance, right? So today we broke through the resistance and now we are making this as a new support. So in terms of the support, you can see it was around 8.5, then it became 10.5, now maybe 13.7. as long as it is holding strong, this is a good one. The other crazy trading was KTTA, which was up by 153% today. And yes, I did not enter very early. I was sometime like in the middle. But anyway, you can see it was moving for so long between $6 and $8, and finally the 6 support is broken. It came down. So I'm just looking at the support around 4.3 area because that was the pre-market support. As long it is holding that thing, this is a good one. And if I go out, you can see 4.3, maybe something around here. So a big boom, not a lot of data point. So I'm not holding this one. I tried to do some scalping, I'm out. QLGN, this is another one. Many people are talking on this particular one, and if you see last evening this one went from 1.25 all the way to 3.2. in the morning it came down, and when I alerted, my area was 1.6, so it came all the way to 1.6 double bottom. You can see one bottom here, one bottom here. Then from 1.6 it again started running, went up all the way to $3 areas. Then what happened, it was moving between 3 and 2.4, 2.4 again went back. So it was moving, but it could not break the $3 resistance, so it came down. It broke the 2.3 resistance after hour. Now it is around $2 area. And while I'm talking about $2, I'm just gonna add one more line here because I see $2 is holding after hours. We have to see pre-market as well, but below $2 we have 1.6 support. The other one is PTPI, another one. Again, if you see, we alerted very early in the morning. So PTPI moved really good from 1.4 all the way to $3, came down to $2, again a big push to 2.9 area, couldn't break, again came down to 2, went up 2.6 and moving sideways. So we have to see the volume and everything because it has been holding the $2, but again I don't see a big push. If I just draw a line, it has been making lower highs. It tried to push just before the close of the market. It went to 2.4, then again it came down and currently just below $2. So it has to hold $2 because if $2 can be held, this thing can come down a lot. So this is PTPI. We have to see, can it hold $2 and a big push again towards $3. ISPC was a banger from yesterday. We played this one, made a lot of money. So you see yesterday how it started. It came down around 7.8 and a big push. After hour it went all the way to 16 and pre-market went all the way to 21. After that it was making lower highs. There was a support around 16.3 but it couldn't, so it came down. So what is happening after that, it was trying to push the 15 area, couldn't break that, and now coming down. So what I'm looking at the support of 10.7 because 10.7 10 area was previous resistance. Now it is the new support. So this kind of play goes up a lot then comes down. As an example, LGVN, a massive winner. Yesterday we called at 12, it went all the way to 45, but see how it came down before market open. From 44 it came down to 23, 50% came down. Whole day it was bleeding and finally got a support around 14.4, went to 18 after hour and again moving around. So anyway, BTB, this is another swing trade for us, so nothing exciting. The only thing is after the share offering it is beaten down a lot. If I move to a daily chart, I want to show that just looking at the daily chart you can see 0.8, 0.9. This is a nice area for a swing trade to get in, so that is why it is in our watch list. OGI, all cannabis stock, they are really doing good, so that thing is also beaten down. In the morning it was looking good, maybe some good time to establish some position. PBTS, another swing trade for us. If you look at the chart, same thing, looking at the daily chart, it is sitting at the lower level, right? So anything between 0.9 and $1, I see a buy zone. Last time over our Discord we entered around 0.9. This thing went all the way to 1.9, $2 area, almost double your money, came down again, went back to 1.5. So a nice one, just waiting for rinse and repeat, so that once it comes to 0.9 to $1 area we load again, and this thing when the market will become green, this thing will go up. PayPal is definitely a long hold, so I'm not gonna talk. Just looking at the chart you can see that our buy zone is in this area, 180 and 200 area. So as long we get some shares maybe around 180, this is a good one because it was around $310, it came all the way to 180. So in terms of pullback is almost like 40% pullback, a good one. GGPI, it was in our watch list. We made a lot of trade. Now how we are looking at, we are just looking at two areas. Maybe I'll just go to an hourly chart just to give a better idea. So what I see, so 16.2, this area is the rejection area and this is the support area. So as long we are holding this one and bounce back, this thing will run again. But look at the black line here, it has been making lower highs. So if we can hold the 13 area, there is more downside, it might come back to 11.7 area, so keep an eye. AADI, they came up with a nice PR in the morning. I think cancer treatment FDA approval, went to 39, then 34 after the market opened, heavily beaten down. So we did not play this particular one because it was not looking good, it was just coming down and down. Even though it was in the watch list, we never played it. CEI, this is another one, goes up and down. So some of us entered around $1, from $1 to 1.5, 1.6. Today it came down, but again we are holding it because as I see 1.2 looks like a nice support. As long 1.2 is intact, I think with the market becoming green, this thing can go back to 1.4, 1.5 area. And after 1.5, I see a nice area between 1.5 and 1.8. PROG, I made a lot of video on PROG, so I'm not going to talk about it. But if you're planning to establish a position, I see 3.5 as a nice buy. If it comes down, just grab some share. LVGN monster trade yesterday. So again, it was bleeding entire day. Seems like finally it found a support around 14.5. Anyway, so that was for today because this is day trading and swing trading, right? So again, like before I go to bed, I will try to make another watch list for tomorrow, and also in pre-market and market hour I will make another list. This is what I do. And if you are part of the Discord community, or even you are a part of my YouTube community, just clicking the join, you can become a YouTube community. But I like Discord because I can always talk, chat, and share my chart throughout the day. So give a try. It costs only $9 per month for the VIP. You have more opportunity to interact. It's $25 per month. Become a Patreon, get access to my Discord, and let's get all the alert. You can ask me any question. I can make the chart for you, so it's instant service for you. So anyway, thank you very much for watching this particular video. Like the video, subscribe my channel, and join my Discord, and let's make money together. Thank you again for watching this video. Take care. Peace.